when there is typhoon, when the wind it uprooted the root crops, the bananas fell down, the rice, because November, October, they planted the rice. September, October, they planted the rice, and November came the typhoon. So it washed away all the rice. So they feel it's not only those people on the town centers that are affected by the typhoon, but also them. They don't have food, they don't have rice, they don't have bananas, and it will take time. It will take time. They cannot eat the coconuts, and also these coconuts. These are. They cannot. It will take time also to make copra, because the ripe coconuts for copra was nalaglag, fell down.
It's not enough to eat.
Yes, it's not enough. So they cannot depend on the copra, on the coconut for their income. Capital. First, they do not have capital to buy seeds, to buy the farm inputs. All their plants, all the vegetables they planted before the typhoon are
So they didn't get money. So they didn't
Was
get money.
out.
They couldn't buy something.
So they don't have money to buy vegetables and seedlings and inputs.
5 pesos. But
Before.
Before.
Yes, after the typhoon,
24
it's
pesos.
now 20. And all vegetables coming here has gone up. This effect is just the tip of the iceberg. I mean, this is just the start. So because these vegetables, maybe these are the what was left of the typhoon. So after months from now, we will not be eating vegetables anymore. We will have nothing to eat. We will be expecting, we will be supplied by the vegetables from Manila, Cebu, and Mindanao. But the prices are exorbitant, very, very high. We cannot afford.
They cannot buy things eat something to eat.
Yes, famine
they
is
couldn't. They cannot
hunger.
buy.
Hunger will follow.
그래서 그 푼 유로